Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video on this channel. If you're also trying to unignore messages on Messenger, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you the process of it. Now if you have ignored any messages on Messenger, you won't be able to see any messages that the other person has sent until and unless you open up their chats, and the other person won't be able to tell when you are online. So if you want to remove this and unignore the message, let me show you the quick process. Now before that, let me also show you how you can ignore or restrict messages on Messenger. You just tap and hold any chat on Messenger and you'll have an option of restrict. If you tap on restrict, that person will be restricted or ignored on your Messenger. Now to unignore them, tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on the settings icon on the top right. From this section under preferences, you'll see privacy and safety. Tap on this option and under who can reach you, you can see message delivery, restricted accounts and blocked accounts. You need to tap on the second option, which is restricted accounts. And as you can see, this is the exact person that I just ignored or restricted. Now if you want to unignore them, just tap on the names and this section will open up where you just need to tap on unrestrict. Tap on unrestrict and that account or that person will be unrestricted and will be again visible on your chat section. So that's the quick process on how to unignore messages on Messenger. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video useful. And if you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll be back with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.